So we have in Excel a series of arithmetic operators that we can use. The simplest one, the one have just seen, is the sum operator, which is expressed by the plus sign. We could also use logically subtraction, multiplication and division, etc. For this we have a spreadsheet, and they are logically expressions that we have to be able to build. It is as easy as using the corresponding symbols that Excel has reserved. In the specific case of subtraction, it will be a value less than another value 6 minus 3. It is a very simple expression that expresses a subtraction. We hit enter and it assesses it. The result is 3, although what is introduced in this cell is the expression equals 6 minus 3. Similarly, we could enter an expression that was a multiplication 5. For the times by, we don't use the x, we use the asterisk. 5 times 4 plus enter. We see that the outcome of this expression is 20, and in the same way we could do a division 45 divided by 9. For the division we use bar, which is in the capital 7, the normal fraction bar, and the result we that it is 5.
Well, we have a somewhat special operation like percentage.
That is 5, we enter the percentage sign, which is precisely in capitals 5. In reality, what we are doing is dividing this quantity by 100. 5% are not 5 units. They are 5 of every 100, that is 5,100 equals 0.05. Okay, although Excel expresses it in other Excel format, it expresses it with 5%, which is what we have introduced. It is this expression. We have 2 as numeric quantity. This one, it is a lower quantity. It is the quantity 0.05. The last symbol that we could use within the expressions is the circumflex sign that serves to indicate the power of a number. For example, an expression, if I want to calculate the square of 2, we would put 2 to the power of, with the circumflex, 3. In this case, the result would be 8. It is what appears when we hit enter. These are basically the symbols of the operations that we can use to build expressions that in turn will help us to resolve the problem we've been posed.